Common invoice discount terms modified. Ordinary terms. Many times, invoice terms will be modified with additional terms being added to the format we already know, the ordinary terms, in which 2 and 10 net 30. The 2 means that we have 2% discount in 10 days, but we need to pay our invoice into 30 days. Extra terms. 210 net 30, 20 extra. Invoice date June 15th. Merchandise received May 5th. Whenever you see the phrase extra, it means that you have that many additional days for both your discount and net 2 days. So the terms above will mean that you have 30 days, 10 plus 20 extra, to take your discount, and 50 days, 30 plus 20 extra, that the net is due. EOM terms, end of month terms. 210 net 30 EOM, invoice date June 15th, merchandise received May 5th. Whenever you see the phrase EOM, it means that the date when you start counting until your discount is due is not the invoice date anymore, but rather it is the last date of the month in which the invoice fell. For example, in the terms above, you will start counting your discount period on the last date of June and not the invoice date. Therefore, the discount is due on the July 10th. ROC terms, receipt of goods. 315 net 40 ROC. Invoice dated June 15th. Merchandise received May 5th. Whenever you see the phrase ROC, it means that the date when you start counting until your discount is due is not the invoice date anymore, but rather it is the date on which you receive the merchandise. For example, in the terms above, you will start counting your discount period on the May 5th when you receive the merchandise. You can just ignore the invoice date. As of terms, 315 net 40s as of May 15th, invoice dated June 15th. Whenever you see the phrase as of, it means that the date when you start counting until your discount is due is not the invoice date anymore, but rather it is the day they tell you in as of. For example, in the terms above, you will start counting your discount period on the May 15th when you are told to start counting. You can just ignore the invoice date. Thank you.